talk about interest rates. They are at their absolute lowest in the history of the United States. Crazy low. We're talking in the high 2% if you're under $1 million, and in the jumbo stuff like $1 million plus, like in the low threes. Here's some numbers. I think I need to put my mask on. People are staring at me. Hold on. I got my Estatetist thing. This is my brand. If you need one, let me know. I can hook you up. Your buying power has increased from last year this time to this year just because of interest rates. So if you have a $500,000 mortgage and last year you bought a house and it was at 4%, 30-year fixed, your principal and interest would be $23.87. If you bought today at 2 3/4, your principal and interest would be $2,041. That's a $4,100 a year savings over last year. What does it look like in $1 million plus? If you were at 4% last year at $1 million loan amount, you would be at like $47.75 principal and interest. At 3 1/4, you would be at $4,352. That's $5,000, a little over $5,000 a year savings. Two things that means for you. My mask keeps falling out. Can you see? I'm like the guy in the store. That's about a $30,000 difference in what you can qualify for from what you did last year. So tell me, what's better? Lower rates or higher rates? I'm listening. Go ahead. Excellent answer. Right now, it's August, it's the middle of 2020, and we're still in this crazy COVID nonsense, and it's just maddening, right? So we're having to adapt. In the meantime, the real estate market is like, there's low inventory, and so there's a lot of buying pressure right now because buyers are buying for several reasons. But here's the deal, like, we're all stuck inside, right? You're homeschooling your kids, you're officing at home, everything's new. Some people are like going, we need some more room, and they're selling their house and buying something now because interest rates are low. So the interest rates are driving that, as well as people are like, we need more space, we need a yard, I need an office, I need to convert my garage, something like that. All right, so if you're in a multiple offer situation and you can qualify for a little bit more, then you could raise your price and not lose out on the house, and you can actually get it. That's the exciting part. Any questions, anyone? If you want to have a free strategy session with me, that's contact free, no eye contact. Go to meetdaryl.com, and then we can do a little Zoom call or a Google Hang and have a little strategy session. If you want to know how we're showing property, if you want to know how we're listing and selling property, if you want me to hook you up with one of my mortgage professional team, these guys are great. Don't go to your bank unless you have a ton of money in the bank, because you will not get a great deal there. And I'll talk to you soon. Have a great weekend. Stay safe out there. I'm Daryl Palmer at Remax Estate Properties. Look at the pier though. What a beautiful day. All right, I'm out. Did you not get the memo?